What is the deepest ocean trench in the world? Mariana Trench. Which country has the most natural lakes? Canada. What is the longest mountain range in the world? Andes. Which river flows through the Grand Canyon? Colorado River. What is the largest non-polar desert? Sahara. Which country is home to the world's highest waterfall? Venezuela. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? Sicily. Which continent has the most countries? Africa. The Great Rift Valley mainly stretches across which continent? Africa. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in which country? Tanzania. What is the world's largest peninsula? Arabian Peninsula. Which river is the longest in Europe? Volga River. What is the largest bay in the world? Bay of Bengal. The Strait of Hormuz connects the Persian Gulf with what body? Gulf of Oman. Which country has the highest number of active volcanoes? Indonesia. What is the oldest desert in the world? Namib Desert. Which lake holds the most fresh water by volume? Lake Baikal. What is the smallest country in South America? Suriname. Which capital city is located at the highest altitude? La Paz. Which ocean current warms Western Europe? Gulf Stream. The Ural Mountains divide Europe and which continent? Asia. What is the largest coral reef system in the world? Great Barrier Reef. Which country has the longest coastline? Canada. What is the highest peak in North America? Denali. Which river forms part of the border between Mexico and the U.S.? Rio Grande. Which African country has the most pyramids? Sudan. The world's fastest winds occur in which region? Antarctica. Which country is landlocked? Laos. The Danube River flows into which sea? Black Sea. Which island country lies closest to Madagascar? Mauritius. The Dead Sea borders Israel and which other country? Jordan. Which European country has the highest population density? Monaco. What is the world's largest delta? Ganges-Brahmaputra Delta. Which country is the world's largest producer of geothermal energy? United States. The longest river in China is the Yangtze River. Which country has no rivers? Saudi Arabia. Where is the world's largest rainforest located? South America. What is the windiest city in the world? Wellington. Which South American country is the only Portuguese-speaking one? Brazil. Mount Elbrus is located in which mountain range? Caucasus. What is Europe's largest city by population? Moscow. The Congo River drains primarily into which ocean? Atlantic Ocean. Which country has the most time zones? France. The island of Borneo is shared by Malaysia, Indonesia, and which other country? Brunei. Which is the world's tallest active volcano? Mauna Loa. What is the largest plateau in the world? Tibetan Plateau. Which sea has no coastline? Sargasso Sea. What is the driest place on Earth? Atacama Desert. Which African lake is the source of the Nile? Lake Victoria. Which ocean is the warmest on average? Indian Ocean.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.